People, this is Mosha again from Mosha's Reggae Lounge, right? I have one of my friends that's been coming here for many years. His name, look at Michelle. Hola, Michelle. This is my beautiful assistant, Michelle. She's helping me. So I have one of my friends that's been here, just cooked some food for him. He's been coming here for many years. He's been coming here for many years, and I never had a chance. This is my boy, Dion. I just made him some jerk and the fish and coconut rundown sauce, and he's tasting my jerk for the first time in a long time. I don't think he ever tasted my jerk before. And while he's tasting the jerk, I want you guys to get his opinion. Dion, as a Rasta man, as a man from the Caribbean, I just taste whole heap of Caribbean food. Give us your opinion about the jerk, Bridget.
Jerk chicken seasoned nice, you know what I
There
mean?
you go.
Tender.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm fucking it up right now.
There you go.
My language out of it.
Yeah, don't worry, you can say whatever you feel, man.
Yeah, man, it's good. I'm just trying to take the chicken and the fish.
And the fish at the same time.
Yeah, see that there? See that there? That's fish. That shit there looks good.
Yeah, so that fish,
see that?
he gonna tear that up.
You only get fried and most certain things done, steamed or something.
Yeah, this is
You know what I mean? You don't get this here.
You don't got all the crap. This is the fish. This is the Rastaman fish in rundown. The Rastaman style fish. You're never gonna get this in no Jamaican restaurant.
And one thing I like, got heard him tune pumping like
Yeah.
chill spot, you know what I mean?
He love the reggae music. And Dion is a Rastaman. Even though he don't have dreadlocks on him head, Dion is a real Rastaman because Dion is amongst a lot of Jamaican people. In Bermuda, right, Dion? And there are a lot of Jamaican restaurants there, right? There you go. So he knows. So we ain't faking it. We're trying to make this thing real. It's a Saturday on the beach in SOSUA in Dominican Republic. And this is my boy Dion. I just made him some food. Just, because he got to run out and take care of his business. And he's loving it. Yeah?
Got this here.
There you go. All right, so guys, Mosha again on the beach, Dominican Republic. Listen, people, I was the first Jamaican restaurant on this island, okay, in 2011. And this is authentic. Everything is here. And if you're coming here, if you're coming in a large group, you must call ahead and place the order because the food takes time. I cook the food fresh. And minimum it takes an hour. I cook everything fresh. If you don't have time, people, I'm not angry with you. You can go somewhere else and eat. But if you have the time to